Got some leftover fried chicken? Make them crispy and delicious once more as we show you how to reheat fried chicken. Reheat your fried chicken using an oven. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then let the chicken sit to room temperature for at least 10 to 30 minutes. Place on a greased wire rack and baking sheet in a single layer. Roast for about 15 to 20 minutes until the skin turns crispy again. Reheat your fried chicken using a microwave. In a microwave-safe container, let the chicken sit to room temperature for at least 10 to 30 minutes. Cover with a paper towel and microwave in 30-second intervals over medium heat until warm. Reheat your fried chicken using a deep frying pan or skillet. Let the chicken sit to room temperature for at least 10 to 30 minutes. Preheat some oil to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Then deep fry the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes. Drain excess oil on a wire rack as it cools. Make sure to check out our website uprecipes.net for more helpful tips on how to reheat your fried chicken. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.